10 great discussions with large brands, which is fantastic, which is the market we're looking for at NetElixir. Engaged conversations, we came prepared, did some of our research. The research that Millennium Alliance shares with us prior to the event allows you to prepare, which is great. So we've had engaged conversations, and in the past for NetElixir, meetings here have led to clients becoming clients of ours that attend the event. So excellent event, and look forward to being back the next time.